Steven here from Recreational Power Sports, coming at you with a unique unit here. So this one here is a 2023 Kioti. It's a DK5310SE utility tractor. So it's a 50 horsepower unit. As you can see here, fully cabbed. It has the front wheel assist with it. Removable front loader with the quick attach bucket. As you can see here, it comes with the front bucket with the grapple, good for moving bales, anything like that, and then the smaller bucket as well. So it's just quick release back here with these two levers. To release, just lift it up and then you can release your front bucket. It has 193 hours on it once again. It is a diesel unit. Also has, at the very back here, if you want to follow me along, very good overall condition. It does have a 3-point hitch, as well as a rear PTO. We have windshield wipers on the front and back. And as we go inside, I'll show you everything we got going on in there as well. So you're going to notice doors on both sides, fully lockable. Okay, I'm just going to jump inside here and kind of talk about it. So when we get inside, obviously we got the air shock suspension. We got high, low, and medium range. Your front wheel assist to adjustment from 2-wheel to 4-wheel. We got the joystick for the bucket here, as well as the lever for the grapple over on this side. Okay, windshield wipers, lights, rear defrosted window. Okay, we got the stereo system, as well as heat and AC. You got the tilt steering here. So right here's tilt steering. You got horn, signal lights, throttle, and it is hydrostatic, so you just push forward or reverse, as well as the brakes. Comes fully serviced, ready to go, as well as extra oil filters and everything for the unit. So it is ready to go, ready to take home. Go use it on your acreage, lake lot, wherever you want, but it is ready to go. So if you want to check out this unit or any others, you could check us out online, recreationalpowersports.com, or come on down to the dealership, and I'd be happy to show you this.